change your avatar on the Google account interface, firstly sign into your Google account. Secondly, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Thirdly, select Manage your Google account. Fourthly, navigate to the Personal Info section. Fifthly, click on the Photo section. Sixthly, click on the Choose a Photo button. Seventhly, select the image you want to use as your avatar. Eighthly, click on the Set as Profile Photo button. If you have previously selected the Do Not Use Avatar option, you may need to change its setting first. Firstly, follow steps 1 through 4 above. Secondly, in the Personal Info section, find the Avatar setting. Thirdly, toggle the switch next to Avatar to the On position. Fourthly, follow steps 6 through 8 above to select a new avatar. The avatar image should be a square or circular shape. The recommended image size is 250 by 250 pixels. Once you have set your avatar, it will appear in all Google services associated with your account. So again, to reiterate, the basic steps are logging into your Google account, accessing your profile picture, going to manage your Google account, navigating to Personal Info, finding the Photo section, choosing a photo, selecting your desired image, and setting it as your profile photo. If you previously disabled avatars, you'll need to re-enable the feature within the Personal Info section before choosing a new image. Ensure your chosen image is either square or circular and ideally sized at 250 by 250 pixels for optimal display across Google services. Following these steps will ensure your avatar is properly restored and visible throughout your Google account. Remember to check that the avatar setting is toggled on if you previously disabled it. A correctly sized image will prevent distortion and ensure a clear display. After completing the steps, verify that your avatar has been updated by checking its appearance in other Google services like Gmail or YouTube. If the change is not immediately visible, try clearing your browser cache or refreshing the page. These simple troubleshooting steps often resolve any delayed updates. The Personal Info section of your Google account serves as a central hub for managing various aspects of your profile, including your avatar. Familiarize yourself with the options available there to customize your account settings further. Taking the time to set a personalized avatar can enhance your online presence and make your account more recognizable. These straightforward steps will help you maintain and update your Google account profile with ease.